Hello, welcome to Fast Forward EVs. Today I wanted to shoot a short video about the accessories that came with my ID.4 and the ones I've bought since purchase. So over here on the left we have things that came with it. Over here on the right is boot space stuff that I've bought since as accessories. Let's go over what came with it first. In the back there, those are cargo blocks. They're these little rectangles or triangles that you set up to act as stops for something that you have in the back that you don't want to slide around, and they stick to the carpeting. I guess this cargo mat here, is part of what came with it. That was in the car when I got it. And it came with this little first aid kit, which has a little Velcro on the back, so any place you set it down, it sticks. And because this is an all-wheel drive ID.4, it has the trailer hitch. And when I saw this, I thought, oh, surely that's the hitch, hitch post, the thing that goes into that adapter to give you a ball connector for trailering. But it's not. I mean, it's the right shape for it. Tire inflator, inflation material, bottle. So that is the emergency tire inflator repair kit, not for trailering. So I've seen a lot of other ID.4s that came with something called the Emergency Roadside Assistance Kit. And that's what this is. So I ordered that and got it delivered through the mail. And it comes with, I'll get to this in a minute, very heavy thing. It comes with a triangle and a yellow vest and gloves, and I think there's a tire gauge and a flashlight. And it has lots of open space that I think was designed for you to put a charging cable in. And we'll get to charging cables in a minute. But I figured I was going to use it to put all this other stuff that came with it. And the other thing I needed, of course, was that trailer hitch. So I bought that. And not only that, I bought the trailer hitch bag. You'd think those would come as one piece. No. When you order the trailer hitch accessories, this big thing, it comes without a bag. So I ordered the bag as well. And it is heavy. It feels like 20 pounds or something. It's probably only 5 or 10, but sure feels heavy. So all that stuff fits in there very nicely. It's a little heavy now, but it's a great container. And the other thing is it fits in the lower storage cubby at the bottom of the back here, which I will show you in a minute. But the other thing, the more important thing than all of that, is a charger. You got to have a mobile charger with you in case, things happen. And if you have a charger, all you need is electricity. And VW makes a really nice dual power charger, 110 and 220, but they don't include it with the vehicle. I really think they should. So I ordered that separately. For some reason I could get it really quickly if I got it from the dealer, but if I had it shipped, it was going to take weeks and weeks. So I went ahead and had the dealer deliver to the dealer, and they called me 4 days later and said, hey, it's here. And I drove out there and took a look and picked it up. It is a beautiful December day, and we're going to go pick up our portable charging cable from the VW dealership. find the parts department on this sprawling dealership full of Lamborghinis and Audis and every other manner of fancy car in the VW brand. I was told to find my way around the back of the building. And there's a gas pump at the entrance to the parts department. This place is just massive. Here's something you just don't see every day sitting around in the back lot of a dealership. Nice. There's all kinds of Bentleys, Lamborghini, Maserati. It does not get much better than that. Okay, I was at the right place, and I got it. He also gave me a 2023 VW calendar. That'll be nice. This place was definitely old school. That little entrance over there. The place was grimy, poorly lit. It smelled of motor oil. I absolutely loved it. Yeah, so that was an adventure of its own. Interesting place for sure. And that's all the accessories I got for the back. Now let me show you how that all packs up. Okay, for the roadside assistance kit, I want it way down in here under that. So we've got this top thingy with a cover on it. And then we've got a cubby hole down there. Little monk hole kind of thing. And look, reveals a rather cavernous storage area. Kind of like a frunk, but in the trunk. It's a trunk frunk. And this fits in there rather neatly. Then, the charger. Well, it can go in that second level, which I just closed up for some reason. Okay. Why don't humans have 3 hands? I think we should, time for some evolution, baby. Okay. Bag in there. Everything fits flush. And this thing, I just tuck over here. Neat and tidy. Okay, moving along to the interior, there's some things I got to embellish my ID.4. First and foremost, definitely the most important, the stop and go gas and brake pedal, accelerator and brake pedal. Ugh, old habits die hard. So those don't come with anything but the first edition ID.4s from 2 years ago, but they're widely available online. So I ordered a set and put them on. Very happy to have those. And it came with floor mats, but they were carpeted, not all weather, and I definitely need all weather out here where I live on gravel and dirt. So I got the Las Fit ones. They were available. WeatherTech was back ordered, and so I was able to get these quickly. And they fit well. They look good. I don't like the logo. I'm hoping it's nice and flat though, so I think I can, if I could fashion some ID.4 logo or something to cover that up, I think I will. But they fit well. They don't move around, and they are doing a good job of protecting the floor from my messy feet. And then last, but definitely least, is some plasticky bin trim pieces I got on Amazon. These are definitely third party. There's nothing quality about them. But this door handle, this, when you grab it, this is a pass-through. It actually isn't a shelf, and it falls through into here. And I'm pretty used to using this area to drop credit card, things that I'm going to need soon at a drive up or something. And so I'm constantly was throwing things in here, and they fall down into here. So strangely enough, Amazon had these little, pull one of these out, plastic cups with a little rubber bumper at the bottom that fit in this space, sort of. You can either click them in to fit at the front or click them in to fit at the back, but they will not do both. And I guess it's better than constantly losing my credit card down the side door. But pretty chintzy. The other piece is underneath the center console. See that right there? And that's just making use of that little hump to have a little storage bin that has sides. And it works fine. It doesn't slide around too much, but it's very plasticky, very cheap, and it moves around a bit. It's not very stuck down. So there's like a $15 total investment between those two pieces, and they're functional, but they are not beautiful. Okay, well that completes the tour of the accessories I've got for my ID.4 so far. Please leave comments, let me know what you think. Do you think if you're an ID.4 owner or have ideas on other I said ID.
To use the telephone function on your cell phone, establish a Bluetooth connection. Please do not use your cell phone while driving.
Okay, avoid that word. The word that starts with the letter I and the letter D. So let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for other must-have accessories for an ID.4, or I guess any EV. Thank you for watching.